ये जमीन जो है 1962 में चाइना ने कब्जा किया था। वो अभी कभी आपको बताते नहीं, वो ऐसे आपको इंप्रेशन देंगे जैसे ये कल परसों हुआ।
On Saturday, Foreign Minister S. Jaishankar claimed that the land that opposition leaders say has been occupied by China was in fact occupied in 1962. His statement was made in reference to the war when Jawaharlal Nehru was Prime Minister. He also took a swipe at Congress leader Rahul Gandhi, who recently spoke about an official report on loss of territory in Ladakh. According to news agency ANI, referring to China's version of events, Jaishankar said, and I quote, "Sometimes they spread news that they know is false. They project as if it happened just now when it in fact happened in 1962. They won't talk about that."
ये जमीन जो है 1962 में चाइना ने कब्जा किया था। वो अभी कभी आपको बताते नहीं, वो ऐसे आपको इंप्रेशन देंगे जैसे ये कल परसों हुआ।
Jaishankar's they reference may have been to opposition leaders' recent remarks as well. On loss of territory, recently Rahul Gandhi was among those who cited a report by a senior police officer in Ladakh that said India has lost access to 26 of 65 patrolling points in eastern Ladakh. The report was filed at a conference of the country's top police officers in Delhi, attended by Prime Minister Narendra Modi, Home Minister Amit Shah, and National Security Advisor Ajit Doval. But Jaishankar sought to counter it, speaking at the Saturday event in Pune. He further took a dig by referring to Rahul Gandhi's 2017 meeting with the Chinese envoy when the two countries were in a standoff. He said, and I quote, "Also, if I would need to know something on China, I won't go to the Chinese ambassador to get inputs, but to my military leadership."
लोग कहते हैं कि अरे आपको आपकी सोच में कमी, मेरे सोच में कभी कमी हो सकती, पर अगर मेरे सोच में कमी है तो मुझे पता कि कहाँ जाना है। मैं अपने मिलिट्री लीडरशिप, फौज या इंटेलिजेंस से बात करूँगा। मैं चीनी एम्बेसडर को बुला के मैं अपनी खबर के लिए मैं नहीं पूछता।
At the Pune event, the foreign minister also spoke about overseas news outlets using adjectives such as Hindu nationalist for India's BJP government. He added that he is proud of it. His comments on foreign media came when there is a row over a BBC documentary on the PM, The Modi Question, that speaks about the 2002 Gujarat riots when he was the chief minister and the BJP's alleged communal politics. The central government has denounced the two-part docuseries as a propaganda piece designed to push a discredited narrative. In his remarks in Pune, Jaishankar did not speak on this specifically but said that everyone in the country is connected with Prime Minister Narendra Modi during India's G20 presidency. India has got the headship of the international group for a year as part of a rotation system.